Day children, today we are going to deal with a new poem written by the poet Shirley Baur, and the name of the poem is Trees. Through this poem, the poet tells us about the importance of trees in the survival of human beings. We know trees are the savior not only for birds and animals but also for humans, right? Every person who looks at a tree appreciates it for a different reason. So in this poem, the poet lists out the relevance of trees in the world. Now let's see what are the benefits of trees mentioned in this poem. Please take page number 83 in your textbook and listen. Trees, written by Shirley Baur. Trees are for birds, trees are for children. Trees are to make tree houses in. Trees are to swing swings on. Trees are for the wind to blow through. Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. Trees are to have tea parties under. Trees are for kites to get caught in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. Trees are to make no shade in winter. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Trees are to chop down and call timber. Trees make mothers say, what a lovely picture to paint. Trees make fathers say, what a lot of leaves to rake this fall. Now let's look at the explanation of the poem. As said before, in this poem, the poet lists out different benefits of trees, how each and everyone appreciates the tree. In the first line it is given, trees are for birds. We know trees are the homes for birds, right? They build their nest in trees and they keep chirping from the branches of trees, which is really beautiful to listen, right? Trees are for children. Trees are used by children. You know, as a kid, in which all ways do you use trees? What all things you would do, children? Yes, you try to make tree houses and play it, right? Trees are to make tree houses in. Trees are to swing swings on. We make swings on the branches of the tree and we swing the whole day praising the beauty of trees, right? So even for that tree is used. Trees are for the wind to blow through. When the wind blows, the leaves on the trees flutter and dance, right? And it is really enjoyed by one and all, especially in the hot summer season, right? Trees are to hide behind in hide and seek. It's the best place to hide while you play the game hide and seek, right? Trees are to have tea parties under. Not only kids but also grown-ups do enjoy the shade of the tree. They do have tea parties under that and they talk with their friends under the shade of the tree. They enjoy their tea party under the tree. So it's not just kids but also the grown-ups do enjoy the shade of the tree. Trees are for kites to get caught in. You know, sometimes while we fly kites, the trees obstruct the path and kites get stuck on them. So trees also give the chance for kite to get caught in. Trees are to make cool shade in summer. You know, during the hot summer, the shade of the trees makes us very comfortable, right? We get cool breeze when the wind blows. And it is really good to stand under the shade of the tree when it is a sunny day, right? It gives us shade for the people during the summer season. Trees are to make no shade in winter. In winters, this shade of tree is not required, right? So people stand under the open sun to enjoy its warmth. Trees are for apples to grow on and pears. Not only the shade, it also gives us fruits, right? It gives us nutritious fruits like apples and pears. And it provides food not only for humans but also for birds and animals. Trees are to chop down and call timber. So even when the trees are cut down, still it is useful for us. The wood that we get from the tree, that is timber, we use that to make beautiful furniture. So even if it is chopped down, it is useful. Trees make mothers say, what a lovely picture to paint. Now if it is for artists, they appreciate the beauty of the tree and they feel to paint the picture of a tree. So for mothers, it impresses mothers as beautiful portraits. Trees make fathers say, "What a lot of leaves to rake this fall." But for fathers, it is in different way. Trees make fathers whine as they have a lot of dead leaves to clear up in the autumn season. To rake this fall means to draw together with a rake or to sweep with a rake. So each one appreciates the presence of trees in different ways. They look at trees in different ways. But unfortunately, people cut trees for their own personal use, and it contributes to a lot of harmful consequences like climate change in the planet. We have to understand that Earth and its inhabitants are hugely dependent on trees for survival. In early days, people lived a very simple lifestyle where they stayed as groups and cultivated their food and existed peacefully. But later, people started building separate living complexes as they sought more privacy. Moreover, for industrialization, people started clearing out all forests and cutting trees. Even though the trees are damaged due to natural calamities, it is mostly accounted to human activities. So this leads to the destruction of the home of several animals there. So we need to understand that this poem is actually a wake-up call to all the human race to preserve trees. When more trees are cut down, it will definitely affect our ecosystem. So it is our duty to preserve trees. Thank you.